Let's fill in the blanks on the toolkit. When it comes to the examples side, include what is helpful for you, and you can also include more or different examples on the back if you think that's helpful as well. Zero exponents are very special and very fun. Any number or variable to the power of 0 is simply equal to the number 1. So x to the power of 0 is just 1. Not 1x, just 1. 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Negative 3 to the power of 0. Notice how anytime you've got a negative number to a power, you should include parentheses. But same idea, equal to 1. Negative exponents have been tricky for students forever. So think of it this way. A negative exponent just changes where you are, specifically where you are in a fraction. So if a negative exponent occurs, really, y to the negative third is like y to the negative third over 1. So even that is a fraction. All that happens is a negative exponent switches where your term is in the fraction. So if I've got y to the negative third on the top, what that means is the y moves to the denominator and the exponent becomes a positive number. Now with a fraction, you can't have nothing on top, and the placeholder we use is the number 1. So a negative exponent on top of a fraction just flips you to the bottom and becomes a positive exponent. Over here, let's see what we got. The 2 on top of this fraction doesn't have any sort of exponent on it. Don't move it. It stays right where it is. Same thing with this x. There's no exponent on it that's negative, so things stay where they are. Only this y has a negative exponent. Currently, this is in the denominator, so it's going to, and actually I meant to uncover that back as well. Denominator and numerator, that's the flip we're talking about. So a negative exponent here is going to move to the top and become a positive exponent. So those are the two big ideas. Exponent of 0 just gives you 1s, and negative exponents flip terms in the top to the bottom, and the bottom flipped to the top.